Welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the price chart or the long-term price chart of Veru Veru, and what we have seen in this particular stock is a big drop after the rise that we have seen, and the stock has tested from the highs. The stock has tested the highs of $24.5, and from there it is now trading at $4. So it's a humongous fall that the stock has recently seen, and now we need to see what's next as far as the overall trend is concerned. So let us discuss about the video, but before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, just hit on the subscription button, also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notification. Now if I try to simplify the chart and I try to remove all the excesses from both the end, what we can get here is a sane and a visible trend which we can rely upon. Okay, so that's what we are trying to do as far as the current trend is concerned. So let me try and remove all the excesses which we have here as far as the overall chart is concerned, right? So here we are. So this is what we have here, and let me remove all these lines. So now if you can see this chart right now, and with the RSI is completely oversold, but the trend is or does not looks like it's going to stop right now. This is the range, or this is the trend what we have here, right? So the trend which one should focus on is this highlighted section. Okay, and about this part or about this part, this is the excesses. So these are the excesses, so we are not going to bother about that. Now what is happening in between the chart is very important, because there are important levels which we must not ignore going forward, even between the range. So right now the next big supports for Veru will be 3.63 and $3 on the downside. Please note that the stock must sustain above these two levels, otherwise the next big support is in between 1.39 and $1 on the downside, right? So this is what you can see as far as the overall range of the trend is concerned. Now as far as the upside is concerned, what we have here is 7.65 and then the big resistance of 10.5. Now let us understand one thing, that this 10.5 was your big resistance in 2013. In 2021, it obviously there was a breakout, but it was a false breakout that has happened. So right now $10.5 will again become your big resistance on the upside. So what we're gonna do here is we will wait for the stock to surpass 10.5 and we will reanalyze it again. But for the time being, we will wait for a better buying opportunity, which right now is in between $3 and 3.6. And if it sustains at or above this range or in between this range, that's fine. So if the stock holds in between this range, that's fine. Otherwise, the entire downside will open up for you, and the next big support will be or in between 1 and 1.3. Now there is another way to look at this chart, because the stock has been range bound for the last couple of years. The overall range, the overall movement of the price chart is like this. Okay, so now there is a possibility that it may go down like this. That's why do not go below this section, this range which is in between 3 and 3.6. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.